How to link Google Authenticator on BYDFi application. To link Google Authenticator, open the BYD app on your mobile device. Now log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, tap on your profile icon or go to settings. After you click on settings, you can see the option for Security Center and tap Google Authenticator. Under the two-factor authentication section, you will see a QR code and a setup key. Keep this screen open. Now open the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Tap the plus button and choose either scan a QR code or enter a setup key. Once added, the authenticator will start generating 6-digit code. Go back to the BYDFi application to enter that code and tap Bind to complete the process. Your Google Authenticator is now linked for extra account security. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out our other videos on this channel for full guides. And that's it guys. That's how you're gonna link Google Authenticator on BYDFi application. Bye bye.